Problem number 28. If a recipe that serves 6 people calls for 4 2/3 cups of flour, how much flour should be used if there are 15 people to be served? Now, this is proportion. We have a series of videos on proportion. The topic is very easy. Please go back to the playlist on proportion. It's a whole homework with I think 11 problems in which I will say practice first before you do this problem. The proportion need to be set up. We need to identify our data. They are talking here in the first sentence about 6 people, and for those 6 people I need 4 2/3 cups of flour. Now this is a ratio. Let's set up this ratio. 6 people call for 4 2/3 cup of flour. And they are asking me how much flour should be used. This is the part where I'm gonna set up the proportion. For 6 people, we use 4 2/3. Then, for 15 people, how much are we gonna use? We don't know, and that's why we call it X. For my student, the most difficult part is to set up this proportion. When you set it up, you know how to solve it. But 16 to 4 2/3 is as 15 to X. That's how we read it in the class, right? Now, to solve it is the easy part. Cross multiply 6 times X equals 15 times 4 2/3. We have a mixed number there. We convert that to improper fraction. 15/1 times 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2, 14/3. And then on the left side we have 6x equals to this. Now we're gonna keep going. We know we can simplify 15 and 3. Lovely. We divide both of them by 3. And what we have in the denominator is 1. And then that gives us in the numerator 5 times 14. And on the left side, 6x. 5 times 14. I'm going to just express them with parentheses. Then we gonna solve this basic algebra equation. We divide both sides of our equation by 6 in order to isolate our x on the left side. 6 divided by 6 is 1. They cancel in the left side. Then on the right side we have 5 times 14 divided by 6. 5 times 14, let's do it right here. 14 times 5, 0, 7, 70. X is equals to 70/6. 70/6 is our improper fraction that they want to convert to mixed number. In order to do this, we're gonna divide 70 divided by 6. 1, that's a 6. Then bring down the 0. 1 more, that's a 6. And 4 left. Then our improper fraction is 11/4/6. And we know we can simplify our fraction here. 4/6, simplify half of 4 and half of 6. That's 2/3. And our 11, that is in our whole part, stay there. The final answer is 11 2/3. The answer is the first one, A. please, if you still confused about the process in this problem, go to proportion. It's a whole video, a whole series of video in that homework.